Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to local pickup whatnot. So if you want to use a local pickup on whatnot but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. And if you want to offer or use the local pickup on whatnot, you just need to open the whatnot app on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So you just need to look for the sellers who offer local pickup in your areas. So when purchasing, so if you want to purchase anything from the seller, you just need to tap on their profile and you just need to go on the shop section, and here you just need to tap on the live and you just need to click on the product which you want to purchase and click on the option of buy now. So after clicking on the option of buy now, if the seller has provided the local pickup, you just need to click on the option of local pickup as a delivery method if that is available. After buying, coordinate with the seller through whatnot message and arrange the pickup, and you may simply meet in the pickup area and confirm the receipt with the seller, and you may simply purchase the product. And if you are a seller trying to enable the local pickup, you may simply list your items, specify the buyers that you can pick them up locally instead of shipping, and you may simply coordinate with the buyer through whatnot message, and you may simply meet in the pickup area and give them the product. So that's it. That's how you can use the local pickup method on the whatnot. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.